Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a baseball wall mount display, this video is for you. So this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. No way whatsoever. It's being provided to me a fitness review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this is what is a baseball display. This is a solid wood. I don't know if they have different finishes. This is in a closer to black than dark brown. It does have these brass colored fittings on the sides, 2 latches, one there and one there. It is meant to be hung this way. It does have pre-drilled and already mounted wall mounts on the left and right back side. It does come with all the provided hardware, like the actual hardware. And this is like this is actually a step up from like some kind of like generic type hardware. This is actually this is a pretty good hardware as far as getting something mounted. And it does come with a glass cleaning cloth. So this can all be cleaned. Very nice. Definitely has some weight to it. The baseballs in this example do not come with it, but this is what it would look like with baseballs. To show what it looks like on the inside, this swings open like this, and each one of these little sections here has little cutout so the balls can rest perfectly in there. They're not going to roll around. They're in there, but once you put them in place, the little holes are going to capture it and hold it in place, and it locks together nice. And this is actually very nice latches right there. Dimensions for reference, the width on this when mounted on the wall is right at 13 inches wide. And from vertical standpoint, you're at 15 and 1/3. I say 15 and 1/3 inches tall. And then off of the wall, it's gonna sit roughly 4 1/4. If for whatever reason you wanted to clean this or not to use to hold baseballs, all of these can come out, and then it gives you a nice clean palette to use for whatever you wanted to put in it and showcase in your display. Pretty cool. All in all, really nice baseball display cabinet. Solid wood was a nice touch. Wasn't expecting that. Definitely has some nice quality to it, and the glasses in there making it look all nice and clear. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this very cool baseball display. We'll talk to you soon.